Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here, we will show you how to generally assemble the appliance properly. In other videos, you'll find instructions on how to assemble all of the different configurations. First, we'll set up the base and tray. Place the base on a flat, level, horizontal surface with the folding legs facing upward. Unfold the 4 legs. Flip the base over. Slide the tray into the slot in the base. Next, you'll want to latch the segments together. Secure the latch's loop to the hook on the bottom segment. Repeat the latching process for the latch on the other side of the appliance. The charcoal grilling chamber and oven chamber have handles on the sides that you should use whenever you need to move the appliance. Double-check that the appliance's segments are properly latched before moving the appliance. And remembering not to move the Southern Cooker while it is hot. Next, let's attach the lid. Lower the lid onto the charcoal grilling chamber or oven chamber. Insert the lid hinges into the lid hinge slots. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.